Okay, I keep filming this because I feel like I talk for a long time, and I'm gonna try and condense it, but I don't want to cut any information out. So, this is going to be for everybody but Sylvia, and I encourage you, I have these drill charts sent into the group chat. I encourage you to look at them while I am talking, so I think it'll make sense that way. So, basically, the drill writer, I get the drill after I write the routine, right? Makes sense, perfect. But that means that the drill writer doesn't write in our equipment changes, so I have to change things up a little bit. So the first two sets, so set 25 and set 26 of movement 3, don't look at. Look at these ones instead, okay? So the first set, this is what it looks like. Everything's gonna be backwards, but this is the picture I want you to pull out. So it should have like a little dotted heart and everybody else down here. Okay, so this is set 25. It is a 16 count set. This is going to be the easiest set to explain. So everyone, you just ended movement 2. You're all in that line. You just finished the Batman. So you're all like basically in this like weird Y position, right? Great. The band is behind you in one giant line, and we need you guys to move forward. So you guys will have 16 counts to march forward to one step off of the sideline, which will be a 3-step move. I know it's going to be agonizing and really slow, and I'm sorry, but your work will hide it. If you get there early, please just like mark it or something so it looks like you're moving. That's the easy set. Great. Next is going to be this monstrosity with so much writing on it. This is the picture I need you to pull up next, okay? So this has all the writing up here, arrows down here. It looks like someone crazy is like coloring. That's me. Okay. So basically what has to happen is Sylvia, while you guys are doing this, is going to the middle of the group, the M. You guys are making another M. Sylvia's going to be like the point of the middle of the M. So this is going to be how we're going to fix that situation. So Gabby and Sylvia need to switch, but there's big kids in the way and whatever, making my life hard, making our lives difficult. So here's the solution. Sylvia, out of the picture, doing her own thing. This is just for the other 4 of you. So you're going to, you just did a move 16 to the 1 step off the sideline. Now for this set, it's 48 counts. This is set 26. You're going to hold for 7. Weird. No. Hold for 7 on the count 8 of that group of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On 8, you're going to get off the field. Right? Okay. 8, you're gone. Off. Like leave. Like hurry up. You're going to have 16 counts where you are off the field, and we're going to break it down. So for the first 8, everyone is going to switch to their new yard line, which again, on this image, it tells you where. You're going to switch to your new yard line. Gabby, you might have to run because you have to move over 2 yard lines in 8 counts. But again, you're not in the field, so you're not performing right now. You are purely getting to where you have to go in 8 counts. Okay. So you have 8 counts. Everybody's at their new yard line now, right? Great. Awesome. And what that means by new yard line is that's where you're getting onto the field next. So, for example, if I'm Kat, I was on the 35, but now I have to get back onto the 40. So you're going to have your swing flag on the 40. Everybody should be on the same sides of the field as you just were on, except for Gabby. You're going to where Sylvia was, basically. So now, okay, 8 counts, you're all at your new spot. Great. Now you have 8 more counts. What are we going to do? We're going to do an equipment change. So your swing flag should be at your new yard line, not at your old one. So you're going to leave your flag and you're going to pick up your swing flag at that new yard line. Awesome. Great. So now if you're swing group 1, if you can see this is going to be backwards. I know it's going to be backwards, so just bear with me here. If you look at your image, swing group 1 is going to be the people who are the furthest back. So that is G3 and G4. And normally I would have you guys split, like the 2 sides of the M would be their own group, but because you guys have to go further back, I didn't want you guys to have to feel rushed. So you guys will do, 8 counts off the field, 16 counts, rearranging, equipment change. Now you're going to have either 20 or 16 counts left debating on your group. So I'm just talking to G3 and G4 right now, so G2 and G5, ignore this. This is not for you. G3 and G4, you're going to have, again, like the 16 count equipment change and movement change, and you're going to get right back onto the field. You have 20 counts to get to your new spot, which is the same spot on your drill, but I need you guys to do this first. So G3, again, you will be like 6 steps off the front hash. G4, you're even with them, but you're both on the 45s. And what's going to happen is to get there, you're both going to face direction of travel. So you're going to do your bell toll move, and you're going to do the rest of the routine as you're supposed to. And you're going to face the back of the field for 19 counts. On count 20, turn around. Okay, so again, you have 19 counts to get to your spot, which is 6 steps off the front hash, and then on count 20, turn around. Okay, you're good. Swing flag group 2, you guys, this is for you now. So group 1, don't listen to this. Group 2, you guys are going to have 16 counts equipment change, and you're going to hold for 4 counts, because that's group 1's bell toll. So after the first bell toll, that's when you start moving. Remember, this is all a time change, things like that. So G2 and G5, you will hold for an extra 4 counts, and then you get onto the field. And again, you're going to be facing direction of travel. So group 1 goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go up 1, 2, 3, 4 as you're marching to your new spot, which it looks like it is 4, 8, like not a 10-ish steps off the front sideline. So you have 16 counts to go forward 10 steps. Shouldn't be too difficult, but hopefully we'll all get there. And then you're going to have, it's really going to be 15 counts, and then on count 16, turn around. We will figure out which direction you guys will all be turning, but because of the math, you guys will all be turning around at the same time. Okay? So because it's on different counts for you guys have to count out loud so that your partner can hear. So G3 and G4 are partners, G2 and G5 are partners, and you guys will be like this basically, right? Okay, great. Again, please watch this video like with this picture pulled up on your phone. If you have it printed out, cool. And then again, please mark this onto your drill, or like write it down somewhere so that when you're marching, you know what's going on. This equipment change is super important. And I need everybody to kind of know what's going on. So again, if this doesn't make sense to you, like how I'm explaining it right now, that's a-okay. I just want you guys who are audio learners to learn it as, like, that's how I learn at least. So that way, when we go in person, it makes a little bit more sense to you. Again, just a really quick recap of this set. Hold 7, off on 8. 8 counts, switcheroo. 8 counts, equipment change. Group 1, 20 counts to get off. Group 2, hold 4, 16 counts to get off. To get back, sorry. And that's really it. And then movement 3, I've seen the video a few times. You guys don't really move a lot. So this should be like basically your spot for swing. And then the ending will most likely change. I haven't looked at it yet, but the ending most likely will change because of the equipment change back to 4. I'm going to do regular flag, I think. So... but again, pictures in the group chat, text me if you have any questions. Please mark this in your drill, mark it, like draw it, make some sort of reminder so that when we learn this again, nobody forgets it. Okay? Awesome, thank you.